Hi, my name is Stefano Gracis. I'm a prosthodontist from Milan, Italy. My expert tip for the day concerns screw-retained restorations, of course, on implants. It happens very often that we do screw-retained restorations, both in the provisional phase and in the definitive phase. Now, we need to have a way to insert and remove these screws very safely without any risk for the patient to swallow them, and therefore it's important to make sure that we have a protocol that guarantees this safety. Of course, I have used for many years hand screwdrivers with a dental floss tied to it to make sure that it wouldn't slip off my fingers and end up in the throat of the patient. I've already had this very scary experience once, and I certainly do not want to repeat it. But over the years, I became aware that other tools were available that would have allowed a higher level of safety. And therefore, since a few years, I've purchased a battery-operated screwdriver, which has a head very small, like a handpiece. And this screwdriver just is used to screw and unscrew the screws of my implant restorations. It is not a torque device, and actually the torque device is something that you need only the last day in which to deliver the final restoration. But in all phases in between implant uncovering and delivery of the final restoration, there is a need to have something that allows you to go quickly into the mouth, remove the restoration, put the new restoration, so on and so forth. So this type of device is something that I recommend to all my colleagues to have, because it gives a higher level of safety, it gives you ample vision of what's going on in the mouth, and there is really no danger of having the screwdriver being swallowed by the patient. Once you deliver the final restoration, at that point you can take out the torque device, apply the final torque, and then seal the hole in a permanent way. I hope this expert tip is going to be of interest for many of you. Thank you very much.